Hi guys, and welcome to my new tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're gonna talk about how to install Spotify into Discord or how to play Spotify songs on Discord. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go to a new tab. You're gonna type pancake.gg. Click enter. After that, as you can see, we've got to the page. So it says Pancake is a high quality multi-purpose spot for your Discord server, serving over 2,750,000 Discord servers. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click invite bot. It's gonna take us to this page. Here you can add to server and you're gonna basically select whichever server you want it to be on. So I'm gonna go with my server, click continue. You're gonna tick everything here and click authorize. After that, it's gonna take you to this page, which is basically are you human page. So you confirm that you are not a robot. Click I am human, and after that, it's gonna take us to the thank you page. So basically, what we're gonna do is go back to Discord, and as you can see, the pancake has been added to our Discord server. So first of all, we can go to this site, go to command list, and we can see every single command that this Pancake app can do. So let's see. The first one is P exclamation mark join, which makes Pancake join your voice channel. There's also lyrics. Search a song of your liking and get the lyrics. So you can do whatever you want with the songs. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to general. We're going to add Pancake. So P exclamation mark join, enter. The pancake has joined. I'm just gonna mute it. So for the sake of the video, we are going to play a song. So P play, and we're gonna just choose whatever song you want. Click enter, and as you can see, it's now playing as it was by Harry Styles. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye.